welcome back to my channel again, and today we will see how to create the radio buttons. So let's create. So my main motto is to create some two buttons of male female type of gender, and user can select any one of them. So let's start. So first I will start the basic creating the radio button. So let's start with that. Button field. Okay, now inside that, what the attributes which you want, you can play around with that. So first I need ID. Okay, second I need label, and then size also we can take. Okay, which is a CG float we can use. Okay, and then color also we can take. Okay, and then what else? Text size also we can matter. It's okay, you can take it or not, but it's your call. So text size I am planning to put. Okay, and it should be type of CG float, fine, and one bool variable which maintain the states. Okay, type of bool. Okay, and one callback. Sorry, bool. And one callback which will be string. Okay, fine. So now init all these params. Okay, so let's start with the ID string, comma, we can say label also, comma, size, it should be, I can say 20 will be fine for me. Okay, and then what else? Color also we need to put, I can say my favorite color, that is black. Okay, and what else is there? Okay, that bool variable is marked, we need to put. Come man, why it is not coming? Is marked. Sometimes this export is also not supporting us, so we need to remember the stuff. Okay, and what else? Equal to false we can set, and callback. Okay, and that to be at escapings. Okay, string, and return will be okay, fine, and that's it. We can close it here, and now we need to put the values. So now start with the ID, cell dot ID equal to ID. Similarly, self dot, my enter is slow, cell dot label is equal to label. Okay, and self dot what is the third number? Cell dot size. Okay, equal to size, and color, self dot color is equal to color. Okay, what else? Self dot text size is equal to text size. Come on, fast. And self dot is mark is equal to is mark. Okay, and self dot callback is equal to callback, that is last but not the least. Fine, so all good. Now it's saying what error it is, type radio is not okay. We are doing, man, wait. Now what is it? It should not be itself. Okay, sorry, we have not created here. Text size, right? Text size, which is a type of float, CG float. Okay, and we can say how much? 14. Fine, now it should go. So go fast, go. And what is this now? Separator. Okay, yeah, we can put it, no problem. And what is this? Okay, we are doing so Xcode is like, want everything very fast. So let's support him. Body, we need to create view. These composite property, I already told what are these body and all in the previous session, so you guys can go and watch it out. So now I will create one button because I need to put some actions. So action. Okay, on that what I will do, I will set the call the closure, passing the ID of that button. Fine. So ID we have passed, and now what I will do, I will create one image and one label to show the genders there. So it should be horizontally aligned. So we can use, so I can use the alignment also here. Okay, I will say center, and spacing we can give 10. Okay, and content not required as of now in this. Okay, so we will see now we need to put one image. Okay, we need to put the image, and we can make the use of system name because we can say self. If it is marked, then what we need to do, we need to put that I know the name of the image. What was that actually? Large circle, which is system name actually. You can use your custom images also, no matters, but I'm using system name images. Else otherwise simple circle. Fine. And some modifiers you can use. See, these modifiers I already told in a previous section, so you can go through that and find the what is the modifiers and when to use and how to use. And after that, resizable also will work for this. Resizable. Fine. And what else? We can put the aspect ratio also. That should be fit. Fine. And what else? We can put the last but not the least. Align this properly. Frame. We can put the frame also, and that's it. We can say width should be command fast. Width should be I can say self dot size. Similarly, height should be self dot size. Fine, looks good. Align it properly so it should be clean. For similarly, like this also should be clean, right? So now we have settled all these things. Now next will be the text. Okay, so that should be nothing but label, and obviously we can add some modifiers. Font will be I can say font dot system should be I can say size. Okay, and size we can give the text size. Fast, looks fine. And we can put some spacer also to make the UI little clear. Okay, align it properly. Okay, fine, all good. And we can put some foreground color also if you want to put it. It's your call. So yeah, spacer we have done. Spacer we have completed. Now looks good. Yeah, we have created the button and text field. That label also we have placed. So what we'll do, we'll put one foreground color also for that, so it should be clear. So that color property we can assign, and after that one more we can set it for this also. That will be my favorite, not too much favorite, but I can say white is also best, so we can use that. And should be class 1 second. Okay, so we have created the button, and it's a radio button field we have created with some attributes, and we initialize that and created the body of this. Looks fine. And what is this now? Where this extra is coming out? Okay, what is this? No, not required, right? I think by mistake it came. It's not required, right? It's completed. Yeah, fine. So let me build this. No error should come. So it's built successfully. Now I created the individual radio button. Now I need to create the group of radio buttons, we can say. So what will be my approach? What I will do? Of radio buttons. Okay, now so it's very simple. First we need to write the enums for genders or whatever you want. Like if you are doing for some other purpose, you can use that, which is a type of string. Okay, and there will be, for me there will be two cases, that is, one is male equal to male, and second will be female. Okay, and fine, looks fine. Yeah, so these two cases will be there for me. Now I will create the struct for radio buttons group. Okay, which is like some which is of view. Fine. Now let's start the basic part. So let me create one callback for my help. Okay, and can change to this, and one variable which will hold the ID. So I can use that with this help of state where selected ID. Fine, selected ID, that type of string and empty. Fine. See, these state and all observable objects and all these I already told in my previous session, so you can have a watch in that. So yeah, fine. So after that, okay, what is protocol again? Let me complete, man. This Xcode is very fast. Okay, so let me try with some view. Fine. Now it's okay. So first I need to create radio, that majority, what the stuff like composite property we need to put in this, and for female and male both. So let me try with that. So where how it should look and feel. Okay, so now inside that I need to use the radio button field which we created and set all the stuff, that is ID. ID will be, what will be the ID? Just now we put it in that gender dot male dot raw value. We are assigning the values, and label also is there, will be gender dot male dot raw value, come and pass. Okay, and is marked. Okay, is marked. Should come and marked, come where should be selected ID is equal to gender dot why it is crying actually. That will do, right? Okay, we are not writing inside the body, then why it is doing these overactions. Let me complete this first. So body it is asking for me, so let me complete this first, then we'll fix the above issues. What are they saying? So gen dot male dot raw value, if it is then it should be true, else false. Fine, and last but not the least, call back, that should be a radio. Actually we have not created that also, so let me create that also. So I will write the name here, that will be, we can say radio group callback type of. Fine, so let me create these things now. So he's asking for creating the function of radio button group callback, so yeah, we can create that. So function having the callback, and we need to pass the ID which is type of string. Okay, and the ID will be set here, actually set it here, we need to bind that, and yeah, return that callback and pass that ID. That's it. Okay, now where the Xcode is trying to fix the issues. where okay, sorry, yeah, it's okay, comma separated should be there, right? It will ask me, it's good actually, he's helping us to fix the issue, otherwise we will be like, sometimes. Okay, what is this? Selected ID is not there. It's okay, sorry, spelling wrong. Selected ID, I capital, D capital, fine. So and what is this? Oh, we will do, man, wait for some time. will do. So similarly we will create for female also, right? Because we have two radio buttons we can do. So yeah, we can say for female, and yeah, female, replace with female. Yeah, so we can say female and callback will be same, right? So let me try now. I need to put that into vertical stack, these two. So I will say vertical stack. Okay, so what I will say, radio male majority, and what else, it should be radio female majority. Fine. So we have created the attributes and all, yeah, settled there, right? Fine. So looks good, majority and everything we have settled. So let me build this now. It should not, again say some errors. Fast man, fast, come on, it's easy, right? First we need to create a radio button, simple, individual, then we need to create a group of that. Fine, it's your call, you can customize whatever you want to play around, you can play around, not a big deal. It's a basic, it's a very ground level work we are doing, it's not a very big task. So let me try with the build now. So let's build this. So yeah, looks fine. So we will come into the main now, where the main code we need to write. Now we have created the radio buttons and groups. So now we need to combine that into the main view. So now my plan is to put one text which says gender and that radio groups button. So I will say I am planning to put in a horizontal stack, horizontally, and the text will be there, okay, which says gender. Okay, and yeah, some fonts and all these we can set it, but basic one I will set says this font dot headline. Fine, and we can put the now radio buttons groups, saying that okay, and what should be the values, that will be the selected in, and now my plan is to only print the selected values. So I will do that. What you want to do, you can do it, but my plan is to show the selected gender. Okay, so I will say it should be selected value. Fine. So I think, okay, select, see, spelling is wrong. Okay, so let's see what errors are they. Okay, they went off. So let's see, now build this. So I think we are good to proceed now. Yeah, it should run now. So let me run this. So radio button we have created, plus for that groups we have created with the two things like radio but male and female also, and yeah, it's look good. Yeah, so let's try. Where is our simulator? Yeah, superb. So you guys can see that male, female, both is there, right? Easy, right? So similarly you can play around with more buttons, and you can put somewhere where you want to frames and all these, you can play around. It's a basic thing, it's like a ground zero level work we did now, so you can see what to do. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe for more updates, and beautiful updates actually. So thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.